Now we're going to do a right cable, 2 over 2 to the right, which means that second set of 2 stitches will twist up over the top to the right over the back set of stitches. So again, these can be any numbers of stitches, and the back could be knit or purled. We're just going to show you a basic 2 over 2 where they're all knit to show you the concept. It means we're going to slip the first 2 onto the cable needle, and we're going to hold them in the back. These are the back stitches. And then you just let go of the cable needle, and they'll just sit back there. And you knit the next 2, which are the front stitches. It can be any number of stitches. We're just doing 2 right now. For 2 over 2 cable, and we're going to knit the back stitches also, which if your pattern tells you to purl the back, you would purl these 2. So you just take the cable needle, just hold it up like a normal needle, and just knit across the stitches just like normal knit stitches. Now you have your 2 over 2 right cable. The second set going up over to the right. And the first stitches were held in back, so that might also be called a back cable.